Here are some of the best coffee fragrances that I'm currently obsessed with, and these are all from Indian brands. Let's go. First one is Midnight in Bombay from M Caffeine. Prominent notes of pear, coffee, bitter almond, lots of white florals, especially jasmine, and some vanilla and chocolate. This has a domination of white florals with other notes, best suited to be worn during daytime and evening. Longevity of 5 to 6 hours, projection and sillage is medium to loud. Morning Sex and Coffee from Nude Perfumes. Now, this one is very unique. Prominent notes of cardamom, citruses, coffee, tonka bean, some dry fruits, vanilla and sandalwood. This is woody, coffee, mature, sort of raw, little bit spicy, and perfection. This is perfection. This is super unique. This one is probably the most unique from all the perfumes that I'm showing you today. Best suited for daytime and evenings. Longevity of 7 to 8 hours, projection and sillage is loud. Again from Nude Perfumes, we have Luxe Latte. Now this is a fresher take on a coffee fragrance. This feels like sipping coffee sitting on the mountains because you can feel that freshness of mountain air, some citruses, again that hint of and warmth of cardamom adding to that spicy kick, with lots of sweetness and creaminess. Like it has a milky creamy quality to it along with the freshness as well. So Mocha Caramel Martini from Muse Beauty. Now this one is dark chocolate mixing up with some coffee and lots of creaminess and also a twist of caramel. They love the sprayer. So it definitely has like a powdery, coffee powdery feel to it. Best suited for evenings and nighttime wear. Longevity of 7 hours. Projection and sillage is medium to loud. Next is Blur Coffee Cake. Now this one is a kind of like a little sister to Khamra Kawa from Latafa. This has like prominent notes of dates, lots of cinnamon and spiciness, sweetness of benzoin, vanilla, and powderiness of musk, with some candied fruits and flowers as well. So a very spicy and sort of Middle Eastern take on coffee. Longevity of 6 to 7 hours, projection and sillage is medium to loud. And my top pick is Oud on the Rocks from Ajmal. Now, funny enough, the name is Oud on the Rocks, but does not have oud at all. Just has some woodiness. So this one is like a woodier take on a coffee perfume. Prominent notes of coffee, geranium, tonka bean, musk, and sandalwood. It's kind of like a dry, woody coffee fragrance without sweetness to it. A proper unisex fragrance does give me a vibe of Khamra Kawa, but without the sweetness. So this is more like a masculine or a unisex version of Khamra Kawa in my opinion. This is easy on the pocket and 100 ml costs for less than 1500 or so. Longevity of 7 to 8 hours, projection and sillage is medium to loud. These are some of my current coffee obsessions from Indian brands. What are yours? Mention in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.